I'm always like super excited when I see my liquidation boxes come. So my husband just brought in two. I purchased two. Let's go open them up and see what's inside. My husband is a saint and he left with the kids so I can open them. Two came. I'm gonna open one tonight and film it. There's my buddy, Odie. Oh, hi. All right, let's get to opening these. I really like the combination of incorporating liquidation with thrift stores and garage sales. You know, I think that having both in your store makes it for a very good, profitable store. On one hand, you have this new to semi-new stuff that's kind of pumping through, especially during Q4. And then you have these just unique items that people can't find anywhere else but on eBay. So it's a great combination. I purchased 2 boxes this last week on BULQ.com. I've used 2 other wholesale companies that I haven't been happy with. I'm not going to blast their name because I'm still not convinced that they're not a good company, because I've seen other resellers use them. And it's funny, you can just get a bad box and then you think, well, that was not a great company. And I've read that about BULQ too, like the box was bad. So I've come to learn you got to look at that picture. Like if the box looks all disheveled, just keep walking, scrolling. So I'm going to open one box tonight. It has 27 items in it. I purchased it for $70 flat, which makes every item $2.59. So let's get to opening. Okay, this looks like it's not an original packaging, but it is a solid vanilla curtain panel. That wouldn't stay clean in my house very long with my dog. Original price $39.99. And then we have our cello curtain panel. This one's pretty. It kind of looks boho-ish. That should sell quickly. Let's see. Oh, here is a Pillow Fort 99.9% blackout curtain. These sell really well for me, especially in the summertime when you're trying to just make your child's room look like it's nighttime. As you can see, the person opened it. There is a little bit of dirt on there. I'll have to open this up and see how much dirt is on there, but I can put it as an open box if I can get that dirt off. And let's see. This is another open box, but just a kind of a sheerish, light filtering white curtain threshold. So I'll have to inspect that as well. And then this is another threshold curtain panel. I love that it's not even in the original packaging, but here's a barcode so I can just scan it to eBay. See? I might need this. See clearly and comfortably, super bright natural daylight. Hey, that's kind of cool. It is so tempting sometimes to keep things. Nope, gotta keep it moving. Keep it moving. Next up is Project 62. It's a Nate Berkus blackout curtain. Really pretty, white with the bottom khaki. Looks like it's in good condition. These are big boy shelves. Just a pack of shelves. That's very interesting. I thought this box was mostly like softer goods, but it's good to change it up. A wood grain dual alarm. That's actually kind of pretty. It's kind of mid-century modern. A relaxation cube. Oh, it's a sound machine. I can't sleep without a sound machine. So this could be amazing. Relax and fall asleep. Enjoy soothing, relaxing sounds. The ocean, the forest, night sounds, dual alarms. That's good. Why do I want to keep everything? Can't keep it. And we have a love sign, a light up love sign. Let's see. Something like this will do good on the marketplace if it's not broken. I'll have to have my husband look at it. But it's super cute too. Then there is, this is an open box too, but it is just a storage cube, a pretty teal storage cube. Those go pretty quickly for me. Another open box. I get some boxes where everything's new, even though it says that they are uninspected returns. But this seems to be a lot of open box. This curtain's like a burlappy curtain. It's a linen Aruba blackout. See, I love that. There's still the barcode. I can just scan it, and I bet somebody just opened it and the size didn't work or the color didn't work and sent it on back. Next up is this bath rug. I think somebody used this bath rug because it smells very bathy, but I'll have to inspect that as well. And we have more shelves, a corner shelf, the threshold wall shelf. That kind of stuff sells really well around, dormitory season when kids are getting their dorms all set up and they need bedding or storage, little shelves put in. And another alarm clock, day, date, and time. And it displays the calendar. I don't know. That's another open box, so I'll have to inspect that as well. Next we have a toddler pillowcase. This kind of stuff I throw on Macari. I don't know why, it goes fast, and usually somebody will pay $3 for shipping on it, but it's cute. It has little stars. Next is a essential oil 3-pack without the peppermint, the poor peppermint. That's what you get. So I will take these out and just sell them as singles, probably on the marketplace or Macari. This is an incense burner set eucalyptus. You see that? Kind of. That might be nice for Christmas. It's a Nate Berkus incense stick set. And we have a bed skirt. And the bed skirt, it says what it is. Nate Berkus on the side. This isn't in original packaging, so I'm gonna have to take a look at that too. We have a cute little dog collar, Boots and Barkley, that will not fit my Newfie. Fits most medium breeds. Yeah, that won't work. That's good because I have to sell it. And we have what just looks like a mixed arrangement of gourds and pine cones. I think this is the most random. Looks like it was just loose and they decided to bundle it up. I don't know. Somebody somewhere will want that. My last item is this basket that's bent. So, not going to do much with that. This box was okay. It was just okay. And in fact, I need to count the items because that didn't feel like as many items. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to have to count them because that didn't feel like enough. Definitely will make my money plus my time and money. Plus some, for sure. So I'm kind of curious to see what's in my next one, but I'm going to do 2 separate videos because that's just going to be too long. So have a wonderful, wonderful, blessed evening, and God bless.